Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, my name is Tiana, and if you're returning, it is so nice to see you again. I wanted to sit down today and talk about some of my favorite Fanola hair care products. I've been using Fanola products for about 3 years now. No matter what colored hair I have, it's always really good. If I decide to style my hair one day, my hair still feels and looks good, and if I decide to leave it natural, it still feels and looks good. So I wanted to sit down and just pull 5 of my favorite Fanola products and just talk to you guys about them today. I have done dedicated videos in the past. I've mentioned them in my empties, my favorites. I've talked about Fanola lots, but I just wanted to do like an updated favorite 5. If you decide to shop through the Salon Guys website to purchase Fanola and you use my discount code, I appreciate it a lot. But without further ado, let's get into my 5 current favorite products from Fanola. Obviously, I'm blonde and I need to mention these here. This is the Fanola No Yellow Mask and the No Yellow Shampoo. If you're blonde, I highly recommend getting a purple or blue, depending on what tone of blonde you're looking for, but getting a purple or blonde. Getting a purple or blue shampoo. Personally, for myself, I like more of that ashy, cooler blonde look, and I'm more so looking to get the yellow out of my hair, and I love the No Yellow. It's been a staple. I honestly have tried so many purple shampoos, like a lot, and these have been my go-to. I haven't found anything that really compares to them, and I just find that they work so well and they're so reliable that I know how my hair is going to be maintained and kept between appointments. If you're blonde and you're finding that your hair color changes and you want it to be looking like it did when you left the salon, definitely try finding a purple or blue shampoo depending on what you are looking for. I actually did a video where I talked about the difference between the two, but if you want to see more in depth on how this one works and compares to other, Brad Mondo actually did a video and he compared them, and you were able to see how this one could make your hair look. So what I would say for the shampoo, it's very pigmented. If you leave it in too long, it can tint your hair. So if you don't want it to be too silver and purple looking, make sure you don't leave it in too long. Don't be intimidated, but maybe try it for a minute or two or mixing it with another shampoo. Personally, I will always go in with a second shampoo, which we will talk about in a minute, but I like to make sure that I do get all of this out because I don't want it to stain my hair. I've had that happen before. It is not fun. Now with the shampoo, this one I don't use all the time. I'd say I use it about 4 times a month, so maybe once a week. And I always make sure I really condition my hair after, or I use a good mask, because this one here can make your hair feel a little bit more stripped, and you really do want to make sure you are moisturizing after. But honestly, this is such a key when you have blonde hair. Now the mask, on the other hand, I don't go through as much. I personally only use the mask when I feel like my ends or the back of my hair really needs that extra little bit of punch, because this is so pigmented. Like, it's so pigmented. It has a little bit different of a consistency than the shampoo. It's a little bit more watery, but this is a really nice mask as well. If you're blonde, these two pair really well together. You still want to use other products along with them, but I find the purple mask does help balance out the shampoo with the feeling of your hair, but I really like it. Now I do want to say these are both scented, and they are both very pigmented, and they are both vegan. They are free of sulfates, silicones, and parabens. So I find these staples. If you're blonde, definitely check these out. So when I was talking about the No Yellow Shampoo, I mentioned that I go in with another shampoo. Now I have tried the Nutri Care shampoo, and that one is really good, I find, for a basic shampoo. I find that's really good just as a kind of everyday, any hair color shampoo. But I have tried the Oro Therapy 24K shampoo. It's the illuminating shampoo with keratin and argan. Let me tell you, since I've been using this in my blonde hair, I have actually noticed a difference. So I have noticed a difference between the Oro Therapy line, the Nutri Care line, and also the No Yellow line. Personally, they have something for everyone, so you really do want to make sure that you're getting something for your hair type, but the Oro Therapy is so good to help brighten up my hair. It really helps to give it that second cleanse and shampoo, and I find that I don't have like much buildup after. My hair feels very, very nice and clean all the time. I really, really love this shampoo. And the other thing about it is it has keratin and argan in it, which are both really good for your hair. And looking at the ingredient list, they're actually higher up on the ingredient list, which is nice because I know a lot of times when you go to the drugstore or you look at different shampoos or even products in general, if they say they have, you know, coconut oil or shea butter or something like that, you typically find it at the bottom of the ingredient list, but with the Oro Therapy, it's actually like higher up there. So I really, really like that about it. Now, I like the scent of it because it's so subtle. Seriously, this is a really, really nice shampoo that pairs so, so well with the No Yellow. I love it a lot. I find that they are just both really good together. They really help with the blonde hair and I really, really enjoy them. So the Oro Therapy line is very, very good. So speaking of the Oro Therapy, I really wanted to talk about the Diamante Pro. This is the regenerating fluid. Now this is for sensitized and stressed hair. I bleach my hair, that's about it. I don't really style my hair. I may style my hair once a month. I don't even blow dry it. I find because I bleach it, I want to take care of it. So if I don't have to use heat, I won't. And I have been using this for so long. I believe this was the first bottle that I ever opened of it. So this is almost like 3 years old. I will put this in my hair almost daily. I like to apply 3 drops, this is specific, 3 drops of this in my hair after it's been washed. I put it all throughout my hair and then I take 1 drop and I put it on the ends. The reason why I'm so specific with this product is because it is an oil and because it does make your hair very, very shiny. I feel like if I use too much, my hair looks way too shiny, and because it's an oil, if I have too much up here, it can really, really weigh it down. So I don't like to use too much of this. So I found 4 drops right after I wash my hair is enough. And then probably on the 3rd and 4th day, I typically put in maybe 2 to 3 drops just to kind of bring some life back to my hair. The thing that I really like about this is it works really well as like a heat protectant. It does help against the UV rays, which is great because when you're outside, sun can damage your hair. So I really like this. This for me has been like a go-to every day. I've been putting this in my hair now for a really long time. It's actually, when I finished the 10 Action Spray, I put this in like my rotation of hair care because I thought I would use it up faster than I did. But honestly, I have been really enjoying this in my hair. I feel like it's made a really nice difference. And if I do decide to use a blow dryer or a curling iron, I can put this in my hair and it helps just to protect my hair. So if you have stressed hair or you're just looking for a really, really nice oil or something to help protect against UV rays or the heat, this is a really nice way to go, and trust me, it'll last you forever. Now the last product I want to talk about is the Nutri Care mask. Now this one is the restructuring mask. The Nutri Care line is basically good for anyone, any hair type. I've had brown hair, reddish brown, I've had blondes, like I've had so many different hair colors using the Nutri Care line and it's all worked. It feels just like that basic staple hair stuff. It feels like that basic reliable hair care line that you know it'll do really well for your hair. Now this here I like because I feel like I don't need to use too much of it, and I just love it because I'm able to if there's a video that I'm able to post without my dog making a noise, that'll be great. I absolutely love this because it says you're able to apply it from your scalp to your ends, and I love that. So I typically don't get knots in my hair or tangles in my hair. I feel like my hair is pretty good, but I do notice that probably 1 or 2 washes after I freshly have my hair done, that is when I really need to make sure that I'm using a lot of conditioner and a lot of hair mask. And I love to put this from the scalp all the way down to my ends. And the thing that I love about it is I can use a good amount. I'm not saying a lot, but I can use a good amount. And I typically will start from my ends and work my way up. and I can comb through with my fingers, and I let it sit in there for about 3 minutes. Sometimes I will let it sit for 5. It doesn't weigh my hair down. So this here is actually 3rd day hair. It's not weighed down. It still really looks nice and shiny and vibrant, and I just find that this mask really helps to make it soft. I find it's not frizzy, it's not tangly. This is basically what you want a mask to do, and I really, really love it because I find that it has a really nice like butterscotch scent, and I can use this mask with my No Yellow, with the Oro Therapy, or with the Nutri Care shampoo, and it still works good. The products last a really, really long time. Now, I do wash my hair maybe twice a week. Now that could be why. I still review other hair care products here on my channel whenever I get some in a FabFitFun box, or if they're gifted to me, or I get them for a collaboration from a company, I will still review it. But I find that the Fanola products, they last a really, really long time. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really wanted to just sit down and share with you, you know, 5 random products that I've been using for my hair care. Of course, I use conditioner, and I do have some other products that I've been using, but honestly, I just wanted to pull these and talk to you guys about them because that Oro Therapy shampoo's like really good. The No Yellow shampoo and mask is amazing. So let me know in the comments down below what you use for hair care. I'm really interested in knowing. There has been a L'Oreal purple shampoo that came out, and I really want to try it because I want to see if there is like a decent, affordable purple shampoo from the drugstore. Years ago, I have tried many purple shampoos, and then I found Fanola and I stuck with it because it worked that good. So if you want to see me try out the L'Oreal purple shampoo, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to go and hit that subscribe button because I do lots of videos like this here on my channel, and you can go follow me on my Instagram. I post lots of videos there and also reels. I post on my TikTok. You can find all my social medias in the description down below, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.